Assalamualaikum, I'm Talha Minhas from Dreamer Associate, and today we will look into PTE listening summarize spoken text. It has around 1 to 2 questions in the exam. You will be able to listen to a recording of around 60 to 90 seconds. तो आपको जो बुक दी हुई होती है अरेजेबल बुकलेट यू कैन यूज़ दैट टू मेक योर नोट्स. यू हैव 10 minutes टू राइट अ समरी. इसमें आपको एक ऑडियो सुनाई जाएगी एंड यू हैव टू राइट अ रिटन समरी. You have to write a minimum of 50 words and a maximum of no more than 70 words. You will find one or two of them in the exam. It depends कि एग्ज़ाम किस तरह बना हुआ है और उस टाइम को कैरी ऑन करने के लिए, कंप्लीट करने के लिए the AI will generate itself the question, the audio. Spend not more than 10 minutes because of course we will be given 10 minutes to complete to write the summary. This task is very important and it is deemed difficult by the students somehow. Make sure you practice them in the listening preparation. Focus on the main points which are the capturing of the main gist के audio की main gist क्या है, main points क्या है, important details क्या है audio की, और speaker का purpose क्या है बोलने का. ये तीन इसके key elements हैं which you have to note down. इसमें जो स्कोरिंग की जाती है दैट इज़ 2 points फॉर कंटेंट, 2 points फॉर योर फॉर्म ऑफ रिटन इंग्लिश, 2 points फॉर ग्रामर, 2 फॉर वोकेबलरी, 2 points फॉर स्पेलिंग एंड 5 points फॉर योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. जो आप जिस तरह आप ऑडियो सुन रहे हैं उसको आपने किस तरह लिखा गया. So overall it will give you 12 marks for writing out of 90 and 13 in listening. So it carries good weightage. 25 marks हैं overall, 13 in the listening and 12 in the writing part. So let's listen to an audio and let's see कि कैसे इसको हम cover कर सकते हैं.
Stem cells are cells that are undifferentiated, meaning they do not have a specific job or function. While skin cells protect your body, muscle cells contract, and nerve cells send signals, stem cells do not have any specific structures or functions. Stem cells do have the potential to become all other kinds of cells in your body. Your body uses stem cells to replace worn-out cells when they die. Scientists hope that stem cells could be used to create a very special kind of personalized medicine, in which we could replace your own body parts with, well, your own body parts. Stem cell researchers are working hard to find ways in which to use stem cells to create new tissue to replace the parts of organs that are damaged by injury or disease. Using stem cells to replace damaged bodily tissue is called regenerative medicine.
So ये ऑडियो जो हमने सुनी है इसको हमने अब समराइज करना है with using the template. So ये जो मेरा template है which is around 50 to 70 words के दरमियान है. Let's go through the template. The lecture talks about topic. जो topic है हमारा जो हमने की note किया है. Firstly, the speaker mentioned that 4 to 5 keywords, comma, and 4 to 5 keywords. The keywords are the one which you are going to note from the audio. Furthermore, he or she highlighted that 4 to 5 keywords. Also, much emphasis was placed on 4 to 5 keywords and 4 to 5 keywords. Overall, the lecture revealed crucial information on 4 to 5 keywords. So you understand कि इस template को use करके you can score good marks, but you have to write the keywords which are very important. आप keywords को sort out करें, keywords को लिखें, keywords को एक separately एक तरह उसको define करें अपने पास अच्छी सी अपनी handwriting में, because afterwards if it is difficult for you to remember or read what you have written yourself, so it will be difficult for you to copy them in your template. So this is a template and I hope you do good in your summarized spoken text. I suggest everyone that share the channel, share the videos, and online classes are available if you are comfortable with my style of teaching. And good luck to everyone. Take care. Allah Hafiz.